morning, welcome back to the channel. I actually came to campus for my morning lectures, and in fact, anytime I'm able to make it to class, I feel so excited, like it makes my day go well. So I decided to throw this on, to put this on. I need vitamin D. Vitamin D. I'm doing exercise, so I intentionally do that because I don't normally do exercise like that. So if I get the opportunity like this, I like to exercise because look at my stomach. So I walk from that place, that far away, to this place. So I'm coming to sit here. Moreover too, my provider has been saying I should be exercising. I'm trying to catch up some videos for last week. I wasn't able to watch any videos from YouTube, and I have a lot of notification. I have a lot of notification on my YouTube videos that I have to watch it or maybe catch up with it. It has not been easy. I have not been getting time these days. I have not been getting time. The little time I'll get is for something, appointments, assignments, deadlines, and them things. Motherhood is not easy. It's not easy to be a mother and to be pregnant again, and also schooling at the same time in this abroad. Don't mind me. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. But I move. I have to be happy for myself. I thought I saw my husband car, but it looks similar. But the situation still push. Nobody can make you happy. You have to be your own happiness cheergiver. Yeah. Oh goodness, I'm tired.
456 at desk 10.
I've come for an appointment. Yes, guys.
456 at desk 10.
See my number? 469. That's my number. So I
Now
have to
serving
just,
number 456 at desk 10.
and they are now 156 to eat because I needed to eat. I'm hungry. Yeah, so
Now serving number 461 at desk 3.
I'm here for an ultrasound. Yeah, an ultrasound. The last time I came and they did ultrasound, and I have to be here again for another ultrasound. Yeah, so that's why I'm here. And this is how I look like. I'm wearing this one. Guys, I'm so pissed off. After waiting for so many hours, my appointment has been rescheduled. The address they gave me, or the address I knew I have to come for this appointment, it wasn't the same address. So they have to reschedule me to this week, Thursday coming. Yeah, it's very annoyed. Almost 2 o'clock now. If I've known, I would have just wasted my time. It's paining me, pa. The receptionist, she was saying that people don't like that reminder because sometimes it confuses people, and it's true. See, I always want to just like achieve something. If I know that it's a sleep, I will sleep. If I know it's appointments, if I know it's school, that kind of thing. That way it makes me happy. But not to be able to achieve that, it pains me like crazy. Guys, the way my heart just jumped right now, I'm just like, I just packed, and I was thinking I didn't put the jiha in a P. Like I didn't put it pack. I was thinking it was still on drive. My heart just jumped. because I wasn't looking. Like, I'm just confused. Oh my goodness, I'm so annoyed because it's almost 2. Half day gone like that. And within few hours, Caleb will be back from daycare. And when Caleb come back from school, it's a wahala on its own. This boy will just be crying and will not even allow you to even rest. Having a child, nobody told us that if you have a child, your car, your room, your space is not yours. How the child wants it to be, that's how it will be like. So it will take you, the parents, to know how to manage certain things. Like, for instance, living room, my bedroom, kitchen, I always want it to be clean, no matter how Caleb will mess it up. That place is my duty to keep it clean. But you see this car, it is my husband's duty to keep it clean. But my husband has made his mind that he's not also going to keep it clean these days, because he said he will clean and Caleb will mess it up. So sometimes when I sit in the car and I see dirt, I have to just start picking. See, my husband let us go and vacuum the car. He said, no, I have cancelled that. He has cancelled the car wash. Like, he used to have this car wash them too. He said he has cancelled it. So I said, then who am I? I'll also leave it, because if your boy is dating the car, that's that. You see the flaws? You see the flaws? You see Caleb's side? All these are something that we should just clean the carpets, vacuum the. And my husband said no. You see the corner there? It's not dirty, oh. Like, I'm saying it's not dirty. It's better than some people's own. It's better. The car is not that bad. To go and check mailbox and see. Goodness. Daddy bought you this one. Do you know what it is? My first library. Hey, Caleb first library. Wow. Abby. Caleb first library. Yay. Wow. Open. Let's open.
Remove one.
Wow. Oh, Daddy. What do you say to Daddy? Oh, he's happy. Yeah.
What is this? The color of this?
Red.
Red.
Good boy. But baby, the book is not bad. It's good though. It's kind of it's portable.
Yeah.
Yay, Kayla. Thank you. Say that. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Aww.
Baby.
Bell pepper.
Best baby.
Okay.
That's pretty.
What one is that?
Whole bag.
Blueberries.
What is this?
Really?
Wow.
Wow.
What is this? Carrot.
Toddler.
You see carrot? See.
Books. Yeah, that's books.
What is this? What is this one?
It's an E.
Yeah, E.
It's that.
Yeah.
It's that.
Dog. See dog.
It's that.
Is it dog?
Wow, this is a good buy.
That.
What is this?
That.
Cat.
Cats. Wow.
What are these one?
That.
Yeah. What are these?
All this.
Boots. Baby.
Show me chicken. What's that? Point to chicken.
Point the chicken to Daddy.
Chicken.
Daddy boy.
Strawberry.
Wow.
Apple.
Apple. What about this?
Ball.
Apple. What are this? This one. You know this. See.
See, you'll be
What are
eating
this
this.
They eat the apple.
Yeah.
This is orange.
Yeah, orange. Which one? Show me.
Show
me
Daddy
here.
orange.
Orange.
Yeah,
Orange,
good
yeah.
boy.
What?
Doesn't know. Oh my God. This package is so. If you see, you will not think it has. This is the package that came, guys. So ABC. You are packing your books. Hey, you still have some here. Are you throwing your books away? You still have some here. You go and come. Intelligent man. Professor Sam. Professor BB San. Hey, oh papa, you teacher me. Bye. Love you. Guys, I'm super excited because me, when I was a child, my dad used to buy me a lot of books, like novels. Guys, see, I'm just here laughing and I'm so excited because I like the fact that my husband loved to teach his son. Because me, when I was a child, my dad used to do the same thing with me. He would just come back from work and be teaching me, and he would just be buying books. So I'm a fan of books from my childhood till now. Just that recently, reading has been difficult for me to read. I'm finding it so difficult to finish one storybook, and it's paining me. I've been telling my husband that I don't know if I'll be able to continue like having that interest again. Of my baby, you are hearing mommy's voice. Yeah. Just imagine this boy. You see, guys. You see what this boy is doing. Stop it. And a nimby. Share biscuits. Biscuits are not papa man. Hey, look at what he has done to the biscuit. Giving me some. He said no. Pouring water. See. And now pouring everything from the box. I just don't know what I will do to this boy. Hey, sister. I tried packing it. This boy saw me packing everything. I was even struggling. I arranged everything here nicely. I just turned my back, went to the bedroom, and Caleb came and scattered the whole thing and leave it there. My husband said, calm down. Let it be like that.
It's just for me to not pack it. It's in the matter of pack. I wasn't packing the night, every night. But daytime here, I'm not going to be coming.
Hey, nobody told us that if your baby reached toddler stage, he will be giving you job anyhow, especially toys. He's just looking at my feet. It's always good not to judge people, because if you have a child, you will understand those that their space looks scattered, because you will organize. Few seconds, your child or your children will go and scatter. Is that the cherry?